Hi, lovely people. How are you? I am so excited because I finally got this summer FabFitFun box. I think I'm probably one of the last people to get this box. But before I begin, I do have a 5K giveaway going on right now. I will leave it up here in the cards above and also down below, so check that out. But this is so exciting. This is $49.99 every quarter. So this is the summer box. But I do have a code that I will leave down below that will save you $10 off. I don't get anything out of it. It is just a code for you guys. So I did cut the tape and I'm so excited to try it. I mean, to see what's in here. So when you open it up, that's what it looks like. So we got this like magazine kind of like thing, which I love. And when you open it up, it tells you what everything is, what products you got or what could have got, and it has prices, which I really like that. So I will leave that out. Let me open this up. Oh, and that's what it looks like when you open it up, if you can see. So let me take these squiggly things out and put them over there. All right, I'm just going to grab, in no particular order, the first thing that I see. So this is from Pure One Imports. And let's see. Get it out. Oh, this is so pretty. Okay, I think everybody got the same design because I did see this in everybody's thing. Because I have been watching, let's just like, when am I getting mine? When am I getting mine? So I'm glad it finally came. I really like this box. And this would be $14.99. It's a marble ring dish. So that is perfect to put your rings or earrings or something on. That's actually really, really pretty. I'm gonna put that in my bedroom because I cannot sleep with my rings on, so I always take them off. And I can put that one there. Very pretty. I'm excited already. The next thing I see, which I'm so happy I got this one. So this is from Tarte. This is the Tarteist Pro Glow. This is $45. So you could have got this one or the Tarteist Pro Go palette with the Sex Kitten liquid liner. And that would have been $43, but I already had that eyeshadow palette. That's what it looks like in case you don't know, right there. So I was like, oh, I hope I don't get that. But if I got it again, I would have just put it in a giveaway. So I got this, so I am excited. And already the box is paid for. If this was $45 and that was $14.99, the box is $49.99. Now it is expensive, but you're guaranteed, I'm looking at up here, to get the total value could be up to $321.99 or up to $367.99. So you get way more than your $49. And like I said, I do have that discount code. And it's quarterly. It's not a monthly that you would have to pay $50, you know. And then they do have an editor's box, which you can get. And like I said, you can still use my code for that. But anyway, enough with my babbling. Let's open her up. Oh, this is gorgeous. So it comes with 2 mirrors here, and there we go. This one is a cream bronzer right there. And the only thing I don't like when you put powders and then you put a cream product here, because if the powder gets in the cream, it could mess up. And so this right here looks like a powdered bronzer or contour palette, a contour shade, and these all look like highlighters here. I know that this brass color is kind of blinding you, so let me swatch these for you. Oh my god, they feel good. Let's see, do they look good? Okay, and there are the highlighting shades right here. Don't mind my hand. I say in all the videos, because I always get asked, what's on your arm? I am diabetic, and if I do have animals, I have 2 cats and a dog, and when I play with them, it just takes me so long to heal that this has already been almost 2 weeks, and you can see it's still on there, that it will cause a scar. So just like this hand is all scarred up. So that's what she looks like. And let me swatch that contour shade. I'll put that right here. And there we go. So really pretty. I'm excited to play around with that. All right, let's put it back in the box. All right, moving on. The next thing I got is this Marianella, I don't know, body caviar. Let me see. This is Hawaiian Black Lava Body Caviar. This is worth $48. Now you could have chose what you wanted. You could have chose a ring, which would have been $55, or a muscle gel, which is $39. But I chose to get this thingy majiggy because I love skincare. So, oh, it has a little safety seal on it. So I'm not going to open it. Well, yeah, I do. I want to see what it looks like. Let's see. Oh, God, does that stink. This is what it looks like. Ooh, Jesus. All right, so I'm going to mess around with this tonight. What is this? This is a luxurious body treatment. It is made with natural ingredients that work together to exfoliate, condition, and hydrate all at once. This is the tip that it says. In the bath or shower, massage the caviar into wet skin, gently scrub, rinse off with warm water, and pat dry. All right, so that is exciting. The next thing, this is what I was excited about to get to. Everybody got this. It was just in different colors. This is the Foreo. I don't know if it's the Luna, the Fofo. This is $89. And what color did I get? Oh, I got the black one. Okay. And let me see what it says. It says, okay, guess what? You're the one of the first to get your hands on this Foreo's newest revolutionary device. It is powered by Bluetooth technology and advanced skin sensors to create a totally personalized profile, which is sent straight to the newly launched Foreo Luna app. $89 tip. Avoid clay or grainy cleansers as they will damage the silicone touch points. But what this is for is you wash your face, you get all your makeup, everything off first, and then you go in with your cleanser, and then you go in with this, and you use it, like that. But it also has this thing you can download, which it will tell you your skin tone, your skin type and stuff. So I am so excited, and it goes by like your age and what it is like. I don't know. I haven't tried anything. I haven't even tried this, but this new one, I'm excited to try. If you want to see me do a video of me actually trying it with the app, let me know and I will, and we can see what my skin type is. All right. The next thing I got is by Versanti. This is a Brighten Up Face Rejuvenate Exfoliating Cleanser, enriched with papaya, microcrystals, and aloe. Let's see. And where is this thingy at? Where you at? Okay. No, that's Elmis. Where is this? Okay, right here. This is $29. So you could have got this, a loop-resistant band, them exercise things, or one of them little minor, that's what it says, minor history post script wallets. So this is $29. So that is exciting. The next thing we got is from Elemis. Now this is a great brand. It's an expensive brand too. This is an enzyme peel, and this is $45. So you could have got the hair protectant treatment spray or this. Now I think we were able to select one of them, and I chose this. So I'm really excited to use that. All right, and what else we got? Oh God, look how this box came. This is from Kula. This is an SPF of 50. I had like a little sample size of this. And this is $32. Everybody got this as well. So that's good. It's just like a sunblock. It's great to have, especially for more mature skin like myself, to put on your face and stuff. But look at that box. All right. And last but not least, oh no, wait, there's a couple more things. There's a couple of straws in here. But this is another thing we got to choose, either the beach towel or a makeup bag. And because I live by the beach, I live in New Jersey, in South Jersey, I have so many beach towels. Now the beach towel that you could have chose would have been $55. And it's like a special one that you could have got, like microfibers or whatever. But like I said, I had so many. So this is $58, and I'd rather have something like this instead. And I think you got to choose your color. And I picked navy blue. I didn't want anything light or anything because, makeup gets dirty. It has that new smell. So this is nice. That's what it looks like. So that's pretty big. I thought it was going to be a little bit bigger for $58. It's from Yummy Kim. I don't know if it's because of the brand, but that just seems like a lot. Okay, let's see. You can unzip this and put some things in there as well. What is this? Just a little card. A gift for you, $50 off your, I don't know. I will put it in here. You can screenshot that if you want to use that code. Right there. So this is nice. So you open this up and you can stick like brushes or anything in there. And this has a little zipper right there. And then you can stick like your bigger things like palettes, blush, whatever. And yeah, I thought this would be a little bit bigger, you know, especially for $60. I don't think I would pay $60 for a makeup bag that's this small. I mean, that's small, I think. I don't know, or maybe they're all like that. And then it has a little handle on there. So this is good for me if I go to somebody's house or what have you. It's really nice, and it looks like you can wipe stuff right off. I mean, it is really nice and looks adorable, but I don't know, unless I'm just cheap, but $58. I'd go to Walmart and pay $10, I guess. I don't know. So anyway, let me know what you think of this box. Do you get this box? If you do, what did you get? Like I said, I will leave the code down below if you want to try it out. Make sure you do. Oh, yeah. So then we have these two straws. What are these straws for? I remember watching somebody's video. I think they give back, and they were just showing straws. This is just a regular straw. This straw saves marine life. But I think what they're trying to do, if I can remember, to order to get metal straws. So that way it's better for the environment, that you don't throw these away. They were just putting these in here, which is good to have because the metal straws are reusable and everything else like that. So I might just go ahead and order some and try it. Let me see if I can find where it says on here. I don't know. I don't edit my video, guys, so I don't want to take up too much of your time. But if I can find the site, I will leave it down below, and you guys check it out, because I love the fact that they, you know, want to save lives and all that kind of stuff. All right, anyway, enough of my babbling, because this is already a long video. Let me know what you think. Don't forget, I will also leave my giveaway video down below. Please check that out. And that's it. Have a great weekend, and I love you guys, and make sure you like this video, subscribe. It would mean a lot to me, and leave a comment down below. All right, guys, bye.